How to remove all followers on Threads app. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to remove all followers on Threads app. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to Threads app here again. And then after we have done that, just click on your profile icon right here in order to proceed to your profile page. And then from in there you can see your list of followers, which is right here, so just click on that. And from in there you can see your followers. So if you have followers, you can just click on this right here and you should be able to remove them from your list. But if you want to follow them again, just click on follow. It's fairly easy to do this one by one because I only have a few followers right here. But if you have a lot of followers, then what you need to do is there is no button in order to actually remove all of them at once, but you can deactivate your account. To do that, just click on these two lines, then click on account right here. Then from there, just click on deactivate profile, then click on the deactivate threads profile right here in the bottom. So just click on that and click on deactivate again, and it should process your deactivation, and then you should also only be able to get it back again once you have logged in. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to remove all followers on Threads app. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.